I practiced subject and verb agreement. Singular subjects name only one person, animal, place, or thing. When a subject is singular, use a singular verb. Singular verbs end in s, es, or ies. Plural subjects name more than one person, animal, place, or thing. When a subject is plural, use a plural verb. Plural verbs usually don't end in s, es, or ies. For example, fireman is a singular subject because it names only one person. If a subject is singular, then the verb must be singular as well. Singular verbs end with s, es, or ies. In this question, the singular verb is slides, which ends with s. In this question, the subject, your teeth, is plural because it names more than one thing. It goes with the verb look, which doesn't end in s, es, or ies. An example of a sentence containing a singular subject is, the girl slides off the branch. An example of a sentence containing a plural subject is, Polly, Jasmine, and Jack congratulate their friend. I practiced identifying a number that is greater than, less than, or equal to another number from a teacher in a video. This symbol means greater than, this symbol means equal to, and this symbol means less than. For example, the numbers 724 and 116. In the number 724, the value of the 7 is 700 because the 7 is in the hundreds place. The value of the 2 is 20 because the 2 is in the tens place. And the value of the 4 is 4 because the 4 is in the ones place. But in the number 116, the value of the 1 is 100 because the 1 is in the hundreds place. The value of the 1 is 10 because the 1 is in the tens place. And the value of the 6 is 6 because the 6 is in the ones place. So 724 is greater than 116. So we use a greater than sign. Another example is 126 and 399. In the number 126, the value of the 1 is 100 because the 1 is in the hundreds column. The value of the 2 is 20 because the 2 is in the tens column. And the value of the 6 is 6 because the 6 is in the ones column. But in the number 399, the value of the 3 is 300 because the 3 is in the hundreds column. The value of the 9 is 90 because the 9 is in the tens column. And the value of the 9 is 9 because the 9 is in the ones column. So 126 is less than 399, so we use the less than sign. One more example is 101 and 101. 101 is not less than or greater than 101, and the numbers are identical and have the exact same value. So 101 is equal to 101, so we use the equal to sign. Getting change. When you buy something and you give more money than the goods actually cost, you get change, which is usually given in the least number of coins and / or notes. To make sure you have the correct change, you can count up from the starting price using the coin denominations. Look at the number line below. It shows the counting sequence for the change from $5 for an item that cost $3.25. This pen costs $3.50. I gave the shopkeeper $5 and the shopkeeper gave me $1.50 as the change. I am going to count up from the starting price to the amount I gave to the shopkeeper to see if I have the correct change. $3.50 plus $1 equals $4.50. $4.50 plus 20 cents equals $4.70. $4.70 plus another 20 cents equals $4.90. And $4.90 plus 10 cents equals $5, which is the amount I paid to the shopkeeper. I learned about producing heat and heating water. I observed popcorn popping from a video. Every popcorn kernel has a drop of water inside it. When you heat the water in a popcorn kernel, the popcorn kernel is heated and so is the water inside. When the water inside the kernel gets really hot, the popcorn pops. After all the observations from videos and experiments I have conducted and made, I now know how we can heat water in different ways. Some of the things I now know about heating water is that the temperature of water increases when you heat it, and water in the sun heats slower than using a stove or a fire. Also, you can cool hot water by putting ice in it, leaving it out on a very cold day, or putting it in a refrigerator. Water can also be heated in some unexpected ways, like in making popcorn. What is a camera? All cameras, from professional film or digital models to simple smartphone cameras, have the same basic parts. The camera body is really just a light-proof box. At the front of the body is the lens, which collects light from the scene and focuses it to make an image in the back of the camera. You see the image on the screen or through a viewfinder. It is recorded by an electronic sensor, brackets, or in some cameras by light-sensitive film. Between the lens and the sensor is a shutter. When you take a photograph, the shutter opens to let light come through the lens onto the sensor. Many cameras have additional features that help you to take better photographs. For example, the shutter timing and lens position are automatically adjusted to fit different conditions. Front aerial. Push off with one leg while kicking the other behind you. Arcing your back, flip forward and land feet first on the beam. Seasons. ฤดู ฤดู Summer. ฤดูร้อน ฤดูร้อน from February เดือนกุมภาพันธ์เดือนกุมภาพันธ์ until April เดือนเมษายนเดือนเมษายน I'm going to do 37 Essential Elements Quiz, The Boatman.